Hi guys, welcome back to Spot Arya channel. Now I will give you tutorial how to remove Google Play Store search history. And before that, I wanna ask you, how are you guys? So you don't miss of our videos, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And let's start it. First of all, we go to the Play Store application that you have been installed for your cell phone before. Click on this Play Store. And after that, you can click the symbol in the upper of the corner. That I mean the right corner here, the upper, click on. And next, click the settings. After that, click the general. Next, account and device preference. Scroll down until you find clear device search history. Click on and you clear history. Click the clear history here. And search history, clear it. Okay, let's go back to the home. If you see, there is no more history here. It means that the history is to be deleted. Okay, this is a tutorial how to remove Google Play Store search history. I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you and bye.